Welcome back to another edition of Gareth's Unboxing. Today we got something special. I have got some fan mail and I got this as well. I had received this the other day, so I have opened and like the other thing, but I know what it is. So here we go. We have got the build your own R2-D2. So I got issue. So I got both issue 1 and issue 2, and here's the free stuff you get. I'm supposed to get that today, the other day, but I didn't receive it because they ran out of stock. So, okay. So here's part 1. It's like the A part and stuff like that. So it's basically that part, and I think it's some of that part and stuff like that. Then we got issue 2, and then next issue will be issue 3 and issue 4. So for both of these I paid $2.99, because with issue 1 you get a free issue, which is issue 2, and then you get a free USB, R2-D2 USB, but they haven't got it at the moment, so can't do nothing about that. But yeah, they are first issue for $2.99. That's delivered as well. And then from issue 3 and so on, it's $8.99 unless you get a premium one, which is £1 extra, and you get some extra stuff. You get 2 exclusive t-shirts and you get 2 figurines, C3PO and a R2-D2. This video is just a short video just to show you. If you like it, give it a like. If you want to ask me a question about it, comment below and I'll try and explain a bit more. If you want the website, I'll put it in the description. And yeah, that's basically it. You just build it. It's 100 issues, so if you go for the $8.99 one, it costs you $893. If you go for the $9.99 one, it's over $1,000. Not over $1,000, over 900, nearly $1,000. So yeah, once I get all the parts, and then I will build in them. So let's get the issues out. So here we go. And there's the part. Issue 2 tells you a bit about it. Tells you how to build it and everything. I think you get super glue in the next one or something like that. But yeah, it's the leg. So basically, here we go. We got some things in there. So let's put that one in there. And I don't want to get stuck to that sticky part on top. So I've got to be careful with that. Yeah, that's issue 2, and here's issue 1. I'll be doing my fan mail review today, so yeah. So there's issue 1. We got the magazine. It tells you a bit about it. So here we go. Here's the R2-D2. So let me just pick you up. Let me move it out of the way. There we go. There you go. It's a 1.2 scale of the real size. So this is, I think this is what our size it is. So that's about 2 foot. Yeah, issue 1. This is issue 1. Here we go. So there's a binder you get as well with it, so that's pretty cool. So let me just put these in here. There. So I don't want to get them damaged. And yeah, I'll send it. I put a link in the description, and yeah, so I'll just put that in the bin yesterday. Later. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More boss will be on his way. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to smash that share button. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.